Here we are outside my house in freezing weather. And it's snowing, which is very rare in Texas. And there's my neighbor's house, whose giant tree, got TP'd last night, and part of his driveway. But yeah, there's little bits still left in our bush, which was like one tiny little roll. There's some remnants of it, and little ones in there, you can't really see them, doesn't matter. But yeah, it's snowing, I'm wearing slippers. Not smart. Not very smart at all. And I'm getting snowed in the face here, so I'm gonna look away from the camera. And there goes a car. This is crazy. I don't know how long I can last out here. Oh my god. Slow down. I don't know if you can see it, but it's snowing from this way. Yeah, and it snowed a lot. Alright, now I'm going back inside because I'm freezing. Peace out!